Kubor ka Bakisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Kinong yalam jangga senjuk kirang ba shnong border area kabakan top hado khat pratli kishnong hagarai nongtung jangga thain block 2 hagasngi baar ka khandai tarik unailar arajar arpuar kila kerpat yaga sarkar Meghalaya bakamdai satyaban Khynñiat yaki shaga jala Assam haga jinge penbek yo port usam haga kala ka baar hapdeng ka sarkar Meghalaya bat ka sarkar Assam kaban salong shen namar baki Khasi ki basyong hagini gishnong kidei nakado bat ka Snam Khasi bat lada sha Khynñiat sha Assam ka don ka jinge pher hagi babun ki liang nado ka rukom bat khandau ka riti ka dustur ka htien ka thale bat ki wei Menteri Rangba Gajelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga jinge kren bat kilat pathai kubor ulaong ba haga jinge penbek yo pur usam haga kala ka baar ka sarkar kan sakhot yas lokshwa ya baro ki kanhon bapher kata nadu ki sim ki rangba shnong ki autonomous district council bat ya ki pait ba nong shong shnong khnang ba ka jinge penbek put kan long ka ba job.
They expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations, and we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process, it's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having the first meeting for the phase 2 within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. About development schemes and different issues, I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase.
Dan kalian cungi ngiwan hakan ikapor ban yakran ban yasungtu cingmut badi bakini ki khat pratali ki snong ki bahap hapo ka block 2 ka ngi chu ti porosikata de mi la wan ban penbor ban kerpat isim star ba in sim ban yakran bikini khat pratali kisnong kim le ban hap sepo kecela Assam kadi kata ka poin ke ban kong ke ikran te ka barang ile kran ke banta ka roi ka par ke skim ke development te I sim star ila kran shai bana ke banta ki development baro na du kanika por ke bamanta namai khalia ro ki di balia chai ki kabor pulis Assam kim dei ban penwet ban petut na ka bentai ki skim ki ba ya dei ber kita ki snong ki ba ha po ka di stet area ki khat pratali ki snong te ka chi kren chungi ka dei ka chi kren ka tenang na ka bentai ki ka por tengin am nomor ka cingkular pat choki ka long ba shen no mentangin si penbet no bangin ya penbet no yung pu Assam hakini hiki Khynñiat singi ki bamantang tengin am setengah kata kapor teng iba ni kermen ru ba kene ki cingkeren ke cungi kene kapor kin om kan om long cingkeren ka ba leno eng kalong ke cingkeren ka ba la ban wan ra pat ya ke cingcok na bata singi kun senong ki ba la cungat haki por baro haki cing kordit haki cing kuslai haki cing syai no ben haki ni ki sorkar ki cumi tematang ile keren de ka ba syai tung ile don lang tinggal ayo pani slok iki cindun kambaro ngin pej pat se ko bana kalian sungi ngila kerpat lu bakat bom pelak ban penbej di put sam ni ong ba suha ban ai no ya ka pulis kem setai sepo per la area te I simin start la coba pa yaman tahi nama ba ngin om ya penbun kam shu ngin om ya keren shu ya kita ki i baro tengin ya sim no bej ka kamban penbej no put sam tengin le put yang kecing kuat cungi PI nomor ba kita ki khat pratali kisnong kidai kisnong Khasi kidai kisnong ki badan hapo ka right nong tung ngan su batai pi kumne nomor ki spa Snam ki ba man shwa ki kadai ka snong ka subuh ka snong umat ka dai hak cantuk su kata ka khat pratali kisnong te kadai pat ka nong ba jongka right nong tung pi hapo ka right nong tung ka don lai pu sautli kisnong te lai pu sautli kisnong ngidon hangni yau sim sukara nong tung idon lai pu sautli kisnong hapo ka right nong tung te yang kita ki khat pratali kisnong pal asyat khat sya kni no sya ka sarkar Assam pi te hado menta ko magi tip hado kni kapor ko menta le ki lakhot ingi kum kita ki ba ha ko tu ke jing sya kni ki khat pratali kim ha ko tu ko tu tengi wan ban keren menta kalong ba ki ching kwa chui kalong ba kini ki khat pratali kisnong ni kam be ya ka ba kadega kisnong ki ba ha po ka nong tung ha po ka hima chung sim khairim bat ha po ka jelami khalia te tang kata ki ching kwa chung ina mar ba ha bangi phai la dekin pen ha ingi si Assam ngin tip senom namar ngi degi ka culture ngi don se Khasi ke ktin ke thli ngim lang ba ni keren ba ki debat ki kam ki ching adei ba ki ngim don ki ching adei teka bu i ki ching e ki pe ba ngi sno tingwan halor katakan namar ngi dei ki Khasi ngi dei ka dok Snam Khasi ting kwa he ba ki cekakan wan jalan kalian tai
don ki kot islah ke berkenapa kok jalan kalian
em ki kot kisla pi la da pin kali kalong ba kanika right nong tung kum bangal ong du mensua ba kanika right nong tung ko badon live pusau tuli kisnong kanika la don da register ko la da register ko shalom na du ki por ko mensua der sakai pat ka bangin ong ba ngin nom don ki kot kisla na ma ha la da ban register kanika ya kanika right nong tung hapo kod ha shalom ta kamut ba sakai pat kita kot kisla tang ka pingi keren baru si ketu ki bre pi keren kata ka blok 1 blok 2 kia pensyai ki pensungtu bakalai ngi kata ia kata ka notification ka ba khat lai tarik April khat khandai spa san pui ngingim sungtu su tengi mentang iwan be hine ba lakum no kat kum kenika hok no kan pi jongi ini ki ka chaj badung nutung ko badon khat ar ligi chaj balada pin poi ma phi baro ki ba kwa pan ti ka tala pin poi hem tai poi snung mak ka rai nung tung kadang don ya kata ka mat nung kan ti ko kita ki khat ar teli ki krum chukin ki mau ki betap ki ya ki sing chuki ba ya manswa kadang tai poi snung mak Dan sakai pat kamngin pensisya ki saki sabo. Register hak sarkar Meghalaya ngiladap. Jabat kita ki mau ba amusan ka ba ki long swai ki man swai ki labu de ki spas nam ki man swai ki ladon sakai pat kamngin ai kita saki.